Well, hello everyone, it's Daniel with Website Candy, and I just discovered something and I want to share it with you guys. Check this out. So I created this folder structure here and I am now in the list view. I'm more of a column guy, but I'm gonna do list view because it's gonna make more sense. So my folder on my desktop here is called folder 0. And inside folder 0, I have folder 1, folder 2, and so on and so forth. Now let me go ahead and get down to the 10th folder because I made 10 folders to show you guys a folder path, a folder structure. And inside here, I have a little gift for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. There's a lot of times on your computer, on your Apple computer, where you're going through your documents or you're going through your downloads or whatever, and you're looking for something and you actually find it. You search on your computer, you find it, but you're like, where does this folder live? Where can I get this to this folder all the time? And you don't understand what the path is. But if you hit just your option key, you notice that temporarily you will get a path of where this folder truly lives. Now, if you keep your cursor right there within the path, it will stay there for you. I don't have any fingers on the keyboard right now. I'm not touching the keyboard, but I can still see the whole entire path. Now that you're already here in the path, if you hit Control and you click, you get different options as far as information. You can get info. You can open it in a new tab. You can add the sketch, whatever it is you want to do. Okay, so that's just a quick tip. Go ahead and try it out. Let me know how it works out for you. But man, listen, I just discovered this and I'm blown away that that temporary path is there waiting on me because I'm always looking for folders or a file and I don't know exactly where the folder lives within my computer. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.